Welcome back, guys. Got another episode on the Scion TC. Last time we left you guys off, we had pulled the engine and transmission, got it on the ground. We don't have an engine yet. We're still waiting to find one at a decent price range for what we want to invest in this vehicle. So today we're going to be separating the transmission from the engine. We're going to be cleaning up the wheels and doing some painting on those because they're in pretty bad shape. And we're also going to be replacing the taillight because we've got one that's broken.
Yep, let's get started.
Tolson brand.
If you think of quality, the first name that comes to my mind is Tolson.
Guys, got our new taillight here, eBay, 35 bucks. It is a used one, but it looks brand new. Okay guys, we got the engine transmission separated, torque converter off, not too bad. Okay guys, that's going to be it for this video. We'll catch you in the next one.